So a couple of factors to get a chroma key. So what he's talking about is like right now I'm on a green screen and I have a really tight chroma key, right? Like you can't really see any green around my fingers, around my shoulders, under my arms, things like that. And so some of the secrets to getting a good chroma key, but one of the keys to getting a good green screen chroma key is to have multi-point lighting like I have in my space right now. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have at least 2 sources of lighting coming from the sides, only shooting on the green screen itself. So you don't want to miss out on the direct lighting just on the green screens. And then what you want to do is have a separate set of lighting that is lighting you, separate from the green screens. That's one thing that you guys need to take into consideration when it comes to setting up your space and setting up a green screen like the Elgato green screen you see right here. And another factor on top of that is the quality of your camera. So not all cameras are green screen worthy. And you really need to have like a higher end webcam in order to make a green screen work, or a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. Otherwise, you're simply not going to have enough crispness, enough resolution with your camera to get a really crisp chroma key, like to get like perfect chroma key like I have. So if you have like a standard HD webcam, Douglas, that could be the issue, is that the image is a little bit too smudgy, it's a little bit too low resolution, and it's just not gonna work no matter what you do with the lighting. I found that to be the case with a lot of HD webcams that aren't like 4K webcams or modern webcams with glass lenses. And so getting one of these higher end webcams like the Logitech Brio, like the AverMedia PW513 is a thing. So your hair looks like it's moving. So Douglas, that totally makes sense. So when you're using a green screen like I am right now, especially if you have frizzy hair or thin hair or fine hair, your hair is going to shine through on the green screen shot, and it's going to have a hard time chroma keying out your hair. That's for everybody. And so that's one of the reasons why I wear a hat. It makes it easier. You may need to use product in your hair to keep your hair down. And so you're going to need, if your hair is a huge issue with your green screen, then what you need to do is put product to get your hair down, wear a hat, and or put some backlighting on the back of your head, and get a higher resolution camera and more lighting. The only way to fix that is to light your green screen separately from you. You notice how there's like a halo of light around me and underneath me and under my arms while I'm here on the green screen? That's because in my space, here I'll go ahead and do my phone camera. I've got this light behind me as a backlight on me. I've got these lights on the ground backlighting me. And then I've got this light and this light only lighting the green screen, and this light and this light only lighting the green screen. And then this ring light in front of me is what's lighting my face. And so by having all this lighting separation, it creates a separation between me and the green screen itself, which allows me to get a proper chroma key. Cool?